And just like that, we're back again with yet again another update on Hbar. Shout out to the Hbar family, for tuning in on a regular day-to-day basis. Cannot thank you guys enough. Continue supporting, and you guys know your boy got you covered on a daily basis. But anyhow, looking across the board, Hbar up 4.7%. Market did see a little bit of a bounce today. Well, not today, yesterday, because of course, as of recording this update, it is past midnight here in North America, depending where you are around the world. But anyhow, we are seeing some green, which of course I'm sure a lot of people are excited about. But as I've said in my market analysis update, if you did end up watching it, it's not a time to be getting overly excited just yet. But anyhow, if you're looking at Hbar up 4.8%, price currently sitting at 20.3 cents, also up 2.4% in Bitcoin comparative, valuation at about 8.55 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 600 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this. The SEC acknowledges Grayscale Hbar ETF filing. Here we have it. This right here is quite bullish, and now we're starting to see a lot of filings for multiple different digital assets. A lot of these filings of ETF applications are actually now starting to get acknowledged. And if you kind of go back maybe like 6, 7, 8 months ago, your boy Crypto ZX was talking to you guys about how I personally see the year of 2025 to be where we see not just one, but multiple different digital assets getting, ETF. And you're really starting to see things really becoming a reality. Of course, we haven't really seen an ETF getting approved as of now, but you can really see which direction things are really heading towards. So very, very big day, of course, for the Hbar holders, but let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with the price right now, because of course everyone wants to know what's happening with the price. So as far as the dominance is concerned, you guys know it's not a Crypto ZX update unless we don't discuss about dominance. Here we have it gaining a lot of strength, as you can see this for yourself. So as far as altcoins are concerned, this is not what you want to see happening for the dominance. Even though the market did go up, dominance is showing so much strength right now that a little bit of a downside for BTC could actually knock out all these red we're seeing for the market. So we need to keep that factor in mind. Let's give it a refresh live for BTC right now and really understand what's Bitcoin doing. $82,000 as of now. We did see that 38.2 Fibonacci retest. Of course, we got rejected. We're sitting below the 38.2, still in the 0.50. We need to get back in the 23.6, simple as that, in order for me to be bullish. Everyone has their own ways of analyzing the charts. Of course, CME gap was filled. That is a plus point for some people, and it honestly is a plus point because, of course, usually, historically speaking, when CME gap does fill, you do tend to see a market see some sort of an uptick, and we are seeing the uptick right now. Are we going to make our way back up to the 100,000 price point? That is where you would like to see BTC, but of course, we are far off. But of course, a green day at the end of the day is not bad at all. But like I said, this is the level where we really need to be. And with the way the dominance is sitting, I am not buying this move just yet. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Hbar right now. So again, the bigger picture, if you're looking at it on the daily time frame, we're still hanging in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Obviously, we're below the 61.8. You guys know the significance of the 61.8, but we do have significant amount of support, as I've stated to you guys before in the previous updates. But let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame and really see what's happening. So you can see this for yourself. We actually did make it to 18 cents yesterday. We have seen a little bit of a bounce, but as of now, you are seeing some significant resistance coming in its way. But you really want to see the price of Hbar making its way back in the 61.8. And I've stated this to you guys before in my update. It doesn't matter if the price of Hbar decides to consolidate here for the next 1-2 months. It doesn't matter. It's just going to strengthen its overall support. And obviously that's not where we are currently, but I would like to see the price of Hbar sitting at that price point. I know a lot of people are going to come out and say, SEC acknowledged the Grayscale ETF filing, but why are we not seeing the prices pumping? This is it. This right here, guys. Simple as that. BTC going up. Reason why you are seeing coins going up right now, pretty much due to BTC momentum. Obviously, if the dominance was sitting at the likes of 60.6%, I think we would have seen a much bigger move for alts right now. but that's not the case. So this is why you don't want to be neglecting not H bar. Don't want to be neglecting the dominance. So again, so far so good. Of course, we have seen a little bit of a bounce, back at 220 cents, but you really want to see the price making its way back into the 61.8. But of course, keep a very close eye on BTC right now because it's still on the shaky end of the spectrum. But I'll keep you guys covered. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.